Good morning, children. Now we are going to see the ninth question in exercise 10.3. Look at this question. F of t is equal to cubic root of 1 plus tan t is the question. Okay, we are asked to differentiate this with respect to the independent variable. Here the independent variable is t. Okay, let us start our differentiation. Okay, now before starting the differentiation, it can be written in the index form. How will you write it in index form? 1 plus tan t whole power 1 by 3. Now you can start the differentiation. Here left hand side is f dash of t, right hand side is power in front, x power n formula can be applied, n x power n minus 1. Okay, so I am going to write this 1 by 3 in front as per formula. Now this base will come as it is, whole power n minus 1, that is 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay, the base வந்து 1 plus tan t will remain as it is. After this only we are going to differentiate this base because இது x மட்டும் இல்லை, x க்கு பதிலா 1 plus tan t இருக்கு. So it should be differentiated by using chain rule. Okay, differentiation of 1 in product it should be continued. Chain rule நாலே அதில் இருக்கிறத கண்டினியூ பண்ணும்போது ப்ராடக்டில் differentiation of 1 is 0 plus differentiation of tan t is secant square t. Okay, now 1 by 3 as it is, 1 plus tan t whole power, take LCM, minus 2 by 3 into secant square t. Okay, now you can bring this negative power to the denominator and it becomes 1 by 3 into secant square t divided by 1 plus tan t whole power 2 by 3. Okay, this is the answer. Now we are going to continue this, or you can keep it in the numerator also, no problem. If you want, you can bring it to the denominator, that is also not wrong. So this is the answer for this question number 9. Okay, now we'll move to the next question number 10. Look here children, this is question number 10. Y equal to cos of a cube plus x cube. We can continue our differentiation. Differentiate the left hand side with respect to x, dy by dx. Right hand side cos differentiation of cos is minus sign, and this x part will come as it is, a cube plus x cube, and instead of x we are having other function, so it should be continued again with the differentiation by chain rule. Differentiation by chain rule, a cube, a is constant, differentiation of a cube is 0. Okay, and y x தவிர மீதி எல்லாமே இதில் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் தான். ஸோ differentiation of a cube is 0 plus, put plus, differentiation of x cube, x power n, n x power n minus 1. Okay, so the answer is 0 plus anything, the number itself, 3x power 2. You will get 3x power 2, and this minus you can write it here. Okay, sine of a cube plus x cube, that's all. Clear? This is the answer for this question. Within 2 steps you can give your answer. First differentiation of cos, argument will remain same, and then it should be continued by chain rule. Okay, and you can bring this term to the front, and final answer will be like this for this question. Is it clear? See children, this is question number 11. Y equal to e power minus mx. You are going to differentiate this with respect to x on both sides, dy by dx. We know that e power x differentiation is e power x only, is it not? And if it is x na, this is the answer. Instead of x, if you get some other function, it should be differentiated. Here as per the formula, differentiation of minus mx is differentiation of minus mx, and continue it by chain rule. Okay, if you continue this by chain rule, this part will be differentiated. Minus kx, m is here k ma. Okay, differentiation of kx is k. Differentiation of minus kx, minus k. Differentiation of minus mx, minus m. Okay, and the answer is minus m into e power minus mx. Okay va? Idla e power minus mx is nothing but y, and you can replace this with y, and the answer for this question is minus my. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt? As usual you are doing, and this part again it is nothing but our question, so you are replacing this part with our name, question name y. Okay, clear? Look here children, this is question number 12. Y equal to 4 into secant 5x. Secant 5x. Okay, now this 4 constant will remain same for differentiation with respect to x. 4 I am going to keep as it is. Differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x. Secant x tan x. x நீ வாயில சொல்லணும், பட் எழுதும்போது x பிளேஸில் இங்கே என்ன இருக்கோ that should be written. ஓகேவா? secant x means secant x tan x formula. Okay, instead of x you are having the function 5x. So continue by chain rule in product. 5x differentiation is 5. Differentiation of 5x is 5. And the answer is 5 4s are 20 into secant 5x into tan 5x. That's all. This is answer for our question. Is it clear children?